I got it. I got it. I found my campsite for the night, so I'm just going to get comfy in my bed and get ready for tomorrow morning. I'll see you then. Good morning. I am on the trail for the subway. No one's here, it's just me. I expect more people to show up later in the day, but for now I'm just enjoying the trail. It's quiet and as cool as it's gonna get today. It is a little buggy. So right now I'm about 3/4 of a mile in and I'm about to start descending down this red rock area. I made it down to the river. I'm just walking on the left side of the river right now, following this trail. It's getting warm out already. Luckily no sun yet. Been in the shade the entire time, but it is coming. Just heard a branch snap behind me. First person I've seen all day. Lots of scrambling. Let's find myself on the map. There I am. The ranger, he said that it's almost 5 miles in, 5 miles out. That means I am about halfway and it's hot already. The river should feel really nice though once I start walking in it more. It honestly seems a little bit harder to just only walk in the river. I can keep a good pace on this side trail and then just cross or walk in the river when I need to. So this is the rock that has a bunch of dinosaur prints in it. There's some over here too. Breakfast of Champions blueberry bagel. Really wish I had some cream cheese. Not an ideal time to be eating a bagel. I'll have to put it away. That wasn't so bad. I am here in the subway and it's incredible. I have heard there is a small waterfall back here. This is like the end of the subway from the bottom and I want to go to it, but I'm going to have to swim my way through. Woo! Yeah, that's cool. Across. Oh my gosh. A little swim, just trying to get back over here. Also, I think that guy is waiting for me to get the heck out of here. So. Really do not know. So I'm leaving the subway now, and that was a really, really cool experience. There's one other guy on this trail. I haven't seen anyone else this entire time, which is crazy. Wow, what a hike. That was beautiful. Such a cool spot. It's crazy how much changes in just a couple of miles. Oh my gosh, this is the first full sun of the trail. Oh, it feels good. I know I probably won't be feeling the same way about the sun in a couple of hours, but right now it feels really great. It is smoking hot right now. I have stopped and dipped myself in the river several times to stay cool. It really, really helps to stay cool when you hike wet instead of hiking dry. And I recommend if you're doing this hike in the summer or in hot months, use the river. It's gonna be your biggest ally on this hike when the sun is hot. So you can obviously see the lava rock compared to the red rock. That is the area that I need to start heading up. This is where I'm going to take a dip, cool off a little bit. Also, this shade right here is lovely, so I'm gonna sit in that for a minute. Now that I am adequately wet. From this point, I should have like 1 mile left. I'm just gonna bust out this last mile. Let's do this, let's do this. Marker, there's the lava rock. Going to head up. How quick can we climb this hill? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Just kidding, I'm not gonna run. Oh my god. It is so stinking hot. Time, 12 minutes. 35 seconds. Oh boy. I did it. That was phenomenal.